back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one requires no experience whatsoever, so this is going to be perfect for those of you who want to get into the work from home field, but you don't have any experience on your resume. This job is going to be perfect to get in, work a little bit, get some experience, and then you have experience to put on your resume to get your dream work from home job. But it is going to be in the customer service field. The company Meduit, they are hiring an entry-level medical call center specialist. Now, this is remote within the United States only. And of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to this application page are in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, because this is a entry-level, no experience needed job, they are paying $15 an hour, but they are looking for somebody to analyze accounts for proper billing procedures and take any necessary actions to rebill the claims or resolve the issue as necessary. You'll determine whether the patient or the insurance should be contacted for payment by reviewing the account history and notes on the account. You'll contact the patient by telephone to help patients' customers with current balances on their account. You'll follow through with payments until the account is paid in full. You'll provide excellent customer service and timely responses to any questions or issues related to benefits, billing, claims, and payments. So this is going to be a healthcare position. But again, they don't require any experience. They don't even require a college degree. You do have to have a high school diploma or GED, and they're looking for someone who can be organized, who has great communication skills, who can work Microsoft Office tools, be self-motivated, and have the ability to communicate with patients and family under stressful circumstances. That is it. No prior experience is needed at all. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.